Hello, my beautiful soul. My name is Olga Sorokina, and I'm so excited to share this balancing yoga practice with you. This session is perfect when you feel off-centered, overwhelmed, or tired. It will help you feel more grounded and connected to yourself. We will start with gentle warm-up, move into the balancing flow, and finish with soothing stretches to restore your energy. If you have any injuries or conditions affecting balance, please modify or skip poses as needed. Now find a quiet space, roll out your mat, and let's begin. For our warm-up, please take a comfortable sitting position. Legs can be cross-legged, and let's take a few deep breaths in and out. With the next breath in, we will add a gentle side stretch to one side and then to the other. Feel those intercostal muscles. Now let's deepen our stretch to the right and then to the left. That feels so good. And now let's take 3 breaths in and out. So inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Again, inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth with the sound ha. And the third one, inhale, exhale. Now let's do a gentle shoulder rotations in the front and then change direction. We wake up our shoulder joints, we free up our neck. Now let's do a little kind of dance with our shoulders, one on top, one on the bottom, change direction, and we proceed with gentle chest circles in one direction, then the other direction. It feels so good. Oh. Nice. Let's continue waking up our spine. So we move our chest forward, create this nice curve. And then with the exhale, I'll rotate to the side so you better see it. So one more time with the inhale, we move forward. With exhale, we move back. Inhale, chest forward. Exhale, nice curve. Let's put our legs in the front for more stability. So inhale forward, exhale back. This is basically our seated cat-cow. And cat-cow, it's one of the best movements to wake up our spine, to gently realign it and decompress. Now onto our classical cat-cow. Make sure your knees under the hips, your wrists under the shoulders. This is important. Inhale, exhale. Feel your spinal movements. Feel how good it is for your every vertebrae, for your spinal fluid. Cat, inhale, cow, exhale, cat, inhale, cow. Beautiful. We are done with our gentle warm-up. Now let's proceed with our yoga for balance. Let's stand straight, rotate our shoulders back, open our chest. And our first posture will be Vrikshasana or tree pose. There are 3 variations of positioning your feet, either on your ankle, under your knee. Make sure to avoid pressing exactly on your knee because it's damaging for the knee joint, or the top part of your thigh, inner thigh. And with the next inhale, if you feel balance, send your hands up. If you feel your shoulders a bit tight, you can open your hands with 45-degree angle or open them horizontally. Feel what's most comfortable for you right now. Find your tree pose, find your own Vrikshasana. For me, yoga is about enjoying your body during asanas, so find what feels good, what feels comfortable right now for you. Beautiful. Now let's do tree pose for the other leg. So I'll rotate so you can see it again from this side. Again, open your chest by rotating your shoulders, and again, find what feels good. If you feel comfortable, send your feet on the top part of your inner thigh, and with the next inhale, send your hands to the sky. Deep balancing inhales, exhales. Send your attention into the standing foot, so it will ground yourself even more. Feel like it's sprouting roots and energetic roots. They go deep into the earth, giving you this extra point of balance. Again, play with your hands positioning, find what feels right for you, for your shoulders. Nice. Gently come out of this asana and we'll proceed with a gentle balancing drill. You can make this drill a bit more advanced by taking a dumbbell, or in my case, I just took a rock. This is a beautiful balancing drill. First, take a look at it. So with the inhale, my knee is aligned with my hip, so hip level. With my exhale, I send my leg back. Again, please take a look that my spine is nice and straight, and my neck is a continuation of my spine, so don't crease your neck. If you feel like this might be a bit too challenging for you right now, please do a modification. Simply knee to chest, back to high lunge. So inhale, knee to chest, exhale, high lunge. And I'll do the other side. Reminder, this is our balancing sequence, so no rush. Please take your time. Please make it slow, rather slower than faster. It's really good for you because slow movements, they really calm down your nervous system and align your moves with inhalation and exhalation. So exhaling, I'm sending my leg back. With my next inhale, I'm sending my knee forward. Exhale, leg back, straight spine, straight back. Inhale, knee to hip level or a bit higher. Exhale, straight leg back. Again, feel your every muscle in your leg, because when you move slower, you feel it better. Now our favorite, squats. You can use a dumbbell or you can do it without it. So for squats, it's really important to do a proper technique. So stand with feet shoulder width apart or slightly turned out. Keep your back straight, keep your chest open, core engaged. Push your hips back as if sitting on a high chair. Bend your knees without letting them go past your toes. Lower until your thighs are parallel to the floor, or lower if possible. Good job. Now let's do a counter pose. We'll do a gentle forward fold, so very gently fold forward. You can hold your elbows, you can gently move in one direction or another. It's important that your lower back and spine feel comfortable in this position. If you feel at any moment uncomfortable, use yoga blocks, use some props, and then with the next inhale, gently vertebra after vertebra, come back straight, rotate your shoulders. Beautiful. Now we will do Flamingo to dancer pose. So stand tall in Tadasana, mountain pose, grounding through both feet. Shift your weight onto your left foot. Bend your right knee and bring your right heel towards your glutes. Reach your right hand back and grasp the inside of your right foot or ankle. Send your left hand to the sky. Inhale, lengthen your spine. And with your exhale, start kicking your right foot into your hand, lifting it behind you. At the same time, extend your left arm forward. Find stability. Open the chest. Keep kicking your back foot upward while lifting through the chest. Avoid twisting your hips. Keep them square to the front. Gently come out of Natarajasana, the dancer pose, and we will do the other side. Start in mountain pose. Shift your weight onto your right foot. Bend your left knee and bring your left heel towards your glutes. Reach your left hand back, right hand up. Grab the inside of your left foot or ankle with your left hand. Inhale, lengthen your spine. And with the exhale, start kicking your left foot. I'll rotate so you better see me. So again, grab inner or outer part of your left foot. Both options are correct. And with your exhale, start kicking your left foot into your hand, lifting it behind you. At the same time, extend your right arm forward. Find stability, open the chest, keep kicking your back foot upward while lifting through the chest. You did such a great job. Now switching to standing pigeon or figure four pose. Okay, stand tall in Tadasana. Now shift your weight onto your left foot, keeping a slight bend in your knee. Lift your right foot off the ground. Cross your ankle over your thigh. So place your right ankle over your left thigh, just above the knee. Flex your right foot to protect your knee joint. Begin bending your left knee, lowering your hips as if sitting back into a chair. Keep your chest lifted and back straight. Press your palms together at your heart in Anjali Mudra. Beautiful. Now let's repeat on the other side. I will rotate so you will see me better. Again, we begin by shifting our weight onto the right leg this time. Cross your ankle over your thigh. Again, remember to flex your left foot to protect your knee joint. Begin bending your right knee this time, lowering your hips as if sitting back into a chair. Remember to keep your chest lifted, back straight. Press your palms together. You did an amazing job with our standing pigeon or Ekapada Utkatasana. Gently and slowly come out of this pose, and we will finish this yoga sequence with Garudasana or eagle pose. This will be our final asana before the final stretching. We begin again in Tadasana, then we shift our weight onto our left foot and slightly bend the knee. Lift your right leg and cross it over your left thigh as high as possible. If possible, hook your right foot behind your left calf. If not, just keep resting it on the outer shin or toes on the floor for balance. Your arms are also crossed, so your right arm is on top of your left arm, as well as your legs. Your right leg is on top of your left. Release and switch sides. So slowly unwind the arms, legs, returning to our mountain pose, and let's do all the same on our other leg. So this time left leg on top, left arm on top. Again, it's okay if you can't hook your foot, just place your toes on the mat beside your standing foot for support. Remember to keep your gaze on one point, drishti, to improve your focus. If the full arm bind is difficult, hold opposite shoulders instead. But if you can, bend the elbows, bringing the forearms upward, and try to press your palms together. Garudasana, eagle pose. This is a beautiful balancing pose that strengthens your legs, opens your shoulders, and improves focus. And congratulations, you made it to final stretching. Gently stretch the right side to the left side. Feel if your body feels different compared to the warm-up stretches we did at the beginning. Now sit again in a comfortable position. Can be your legs crossed, and we'll repeat those gentle chest circles. So imagine that you're drawing a little circle with your chest one way, then the other. Let's do side stretches. Breathe out, stretch to the right. Breath in, center. Breath out, stretch to the left. And let's repeat one more time to the right. Feel those intercostal muscles. Inhale, exhale to the left. And let's do 2 final deep breath ins. Breath out. One more time. Breath in. Breath out. Center yourself. And all favorites, Shavasana, the most important asana in yoga. So lie down comfortably on your back. Make your arms and feet at a comfortable distance. You can put a bolster or a pillow below your knees to feel even more comfortable. And just release fully and completely now. Now very gently, very slowly start to move your fingers, move your toes. There is no rush. Very slowly, when you feel ready, you can move to your right side and relax here a little bit more. This is also a beautiful variation of Shavasana. Deep breath ins, breath outs. And when you feel ready, gently move into your comfortable sitting position. And we will close this balancing practice again by taking a few deep breath ins and breath outs. Final breath in and put your palms in Anjali Mudra in front of your heart. Thank yourself for dedicating this time for yourself, for balancing yourself, for centering yourself. Namaste. Please let me know in the comments how this yoga sequence felt for you. How do you feel now compared to before you started? I truly hope you enjoyed this practice. I recorded this video on a beautiful island of Samoa. If you'd love to join my online yoga camp, it's going to be an amazing journey into yoga, creativity, and deep exploration of your body and mind. Just leave your email in the form. I'll drop the link below. And I can't wait to welcome you inside this transformative experience. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check the link in the description. See you in the next video. Bye for now.